Why Christmas in the Philippines Starts in September. Written by Emmanuel Francis Tendahul. If you thought that November was too early to put up Christmas decorations, you haven't seen anything quite like the Philippines. Countries the world over all have a way of marking the start of the Christmas season. In Italy, decorations are only put up on December 8th or the day of the Immaculate Conception of Mary, while in the US, the season begins in November during Thanksgiving. In the Philippines, the Christmas season begins on September 1st, which marks the start of the so-called Ber months. Radios dust off Jose Marichan's holiday classics, malls begin playing carols, and neighborhoods slowly light up with the first parols, a uniquely Filipino Christmas ornament. For Filipinos, this marks the start of the famous Ber months and the longest Christmas celebration in the world. This tradition goes back to the country's Spanish colonial roots. Catholicism instilled a deep devotion to Christmas through novenas, Simbang Gabi, and the parol lantern that symbolises the Star of Bethlehem. Over time, what began as religious practice evolved into a broader cultural event. Later, American influences brought in Santa Claus, gift-giving, and Christmas shopping, which stretched the season even further. But perhaps the real reason why Filipinos welcome Christmas so early is emotional. September signals cooler weather after the long tropical summer, creating the perfect atmosphere for festive anticipation. For families with loved ones working overseas, the extended season helps ease the wait for long-awaited December reunions. Today, the early celebration has become a uniquely Filipino identity. Starting Christmas in September is more than just a quirk, it's a joyful expression of faith, family, and resilience. For a people who love to gather, give, and hope, 4 months of Christmas never feels too long.